Hello student, how are you? Again welcome to back my class 9 and 10 biology class. Today I will discuss about the transportation of organisms. That means chapter 6. The name of the topics is blood vessels. Bengali meanings blood vessels, rakto bahika or rakto nali. Thank you. Let's go our lesson now. Already I have said that chapter name 6, transport in organisms. What is the name of these two figures? We know that these two figures are blood vessels. That means three types of blood vessels are shown in this figure. The name of these blood vessels is artery. On the other hand, this is the vein, and the last one, this is the blood capillary. That means three types of blood vessels present in circulatory system, and this blood capillary is situated in the muscle fiber, and this blood capillary is very thin. At first we must be known about the definition of blood vessels. The channel things through which blood can pass or the flow of blood occurs is called blood vessels. Next we learn from these topics, explain artery, vein, blood capillaries and blood pressure. That means today mainly I will discuss about artery, vein, blood capillaries and the last one, blood pressure. What is artery? That means this figure is mainly is shown artery. These are the artery. On the other hand, these are the vein. These are the vein and these are the mainly artery. And middle position is small like blood vessels. These are blood capillaries. At first one, we must be known about the definition. What is artery? What is artery? The blood vessel which can blood transfer from heart to different parts of the body is called artery. And the next question, how many layers present in artery? We know that artery mainly composed of three types of layers. These are external, tunica external, tunica interna, tunica media. Again I say that tunica externa, tunica interna and tunica externa, this is the outer layer of artery. On the other hand, tunica media, this is the middle position of artery and it is one kind of layer of artery. On the other hand, tunica interna, this is the inner layer. This is the inner layer of artery. Another, this figure is mainly shown vein. These are the vein and this is the somewhat blue or green like structure, blue like structure is shown, and red like structure, these types of blood vessels is artery. And the next one, what is vein? This is the another blood vessels, and in this case we must be known about the definition of the blood vessels which blood can transfer or blood can go from different parts of the body to heart is called. The next question, where does vein made from? Where does vein made from? Already I have shown a figure at the first time, and we can say that vein originates from venule or blood capillaries. Mainly we can say that vein produce from blood capillaries. What is the Bengali meaning blood capillaries? Koishik jalika. Another, what is pulmonary vein? And this is a one kind of blood vessels, but pulmonary vein is completely exceptional from vein, because pulmonary vein always circulate oxygenated blood. On the other hand, vein circulate or can transfer deoxygenated blood, that means carbon dioxide blood. And we know that this type of blood is polluted blood or washed type of blood. On the other hand, pulmonary vein always carry oxygenated blood, and this blood can pass from lung to the heart. Where does the last point of vein? We know that the last point of the vein, heart. We also know that different types of blood of the different parts of body from this blood can go to the heart. Now, very important activities, and these are unique activities, differentiate between artery and vein. That means two types of figure, we can say that a lot of difference between artery and vein are found. At first we must be written down the definition of artery and vein, then we write down another information. What is artery? Again I said that the blood vessels which blood can pass from heart to different part of the body is called artery. On the other hand, the blood vessels which can pass from blood different parts of the body to heart is called vein. And the second one, artery. Artery always carry oxygenated blood. On the other hand, vein always carry deoxygenated blood. Valve, Bengali meaning Kopatika, that means Dorja. There is no valve in artery. On the other hand, a well developed valve present. The wall of artery is very thick and elastic. On the other hand, the wall of vein is very thin and no elasticity. Blood always can pass from heart to the different parts of the body in case of artery. On the other hand, blood can pass from different parts of the body to heart in case of. These are the important information of artery. Now next, what is blood capillary? What is blood? And we know that this is artery, oxygenated blood always can pass, and these are the vein, and these are the small or delicate like structure and very thin like structure, and or also we can say that very thread like structure. These types of blood vessels are called blood capillaries. So we can say that what is blood capillary? The blood vessels which is very delicate or thin like or very small like structure, and it is found in the muscles fiber is called blood capillaries. And we also can say that blood capillary is the connecting link between artery, and that means it is the connecting link between artery and vein, and different substance transport by it, and its wall is very thin. Already I have said that. Group works. Explain the functions of blood vessels, and we mainly know about different types of function performs by blood vessels, and mainly oxygenated blood, that means oxygen and different types of hormone and different types of another important chemical substance can transfer or can circulate by blood vessels. That means oxygen always is passed by blood vessels. Not only oxygenated blood, but also wash substance, that means carbon dioxide or deoxygenated type bloods can circulate by blood vessels, that means vein. And also different parts or different position of the body blood vessels presents, mainly these types of blood vessel is blood capillaries. So blood vessels perform different types of function in our body. What is the name of this machine? We know that this machine is very familiar to us, and in practical life we always use these types of machine, and this is the sphygmomanometer, and this machine is used to measure blood pressure. So at first, what is blood pressure? This is very important topics or term of blood circulatory system. The Bengali meaning of blood pressure is raktochap. When pressure create on the blood vessels and is called blood pressure. That means within artery, when blood can circulate or can pass, at that times a one kind of pressure create against the wall of blood vessels, that means artery, is called blood pressure. What is ideal blood pressure? At first we know how many types of blood pressure found in blood circulatory systems. Mainly two types of blood circulatory system, mainly two types of blood pressure found in blood circulatory system. These are systolic blood pressure and diastolic blood pressure. Systolic blood pressure, we know that what is systole? The contraction of heart is called systole. On the other hand, the expansion of heart is called diastole. So during systolic condition, when creates a one kind of pressure, these types of pressure is called systolic pressure, and systolic, the range of systolic pressure is 120 milliliter or slightly lower. This is the ideal value. On the other hand, diastolic blood pressure, that means during diastolic condition of heart, a one kind of pressure create within the blood vessels, that means artery, is called diastolic pressure. The range of diastolic pressure is lower than systolic pressure. The range of diastolic pressure is 18 milliliter or somewhat higher. This is the main range. Another topics, ideal blood pressure, that means every persons have a ideal blood pressure, and the range of this ideal blood pressure is 120 to 80 milliliter or slightly lower or higher. And one kind of another topics, pulse or pulse rate, and this topics is mainly related in blood pressure. When the contraction of artery occurs and then create pulse rate, and we also can easily measure pulse rate by sphygmomanometer. Also we can measure by hands or press a finger on the wrist of the another hand. And what is, already I have said that what is diastolic pressure and what is systolic pressure. That means diastolic pressure, systolic pressure, and blood pressure and ideal blood pressure, all topics are important in case of blood circulatory system. An ideal pulse rate of an adult person is 72 to 100 times. This is the ideal range. And evaluation from this lesson, that means what is blood pressure, what is the ideal blood pressure, what is diastolic pressure, what is systolic pressure, and what is capillaries. How many layers of present in artery? As like a same vein, three types of layer present, already have said that. what is vein, how, where does vein meet from, and what is pulmonary vein, where does the last point of vein, and describe the blood vessels of circulatory system. That means, and this question answer will be 3 types of blood vessels. At first we must be written down about the definition of blood vessels, and then we write the detailed information of artery, vein and blood capillary, and what are the difference among artery, vein and blood capillaries with figure. This is the complete answer of this question. And at last I have said that artery, that means pulmonary artery is the another one kind of important blood vessels, and this blood vessel is completely exceptional than artery. We know that pulmonary artery always carry deoxygenated blood, and this blood can pass from different parts of the body to the heart. The last time these blood vessels can go to the heart to the lung. So that pulmonary artery is very exceptional. Thank you everybody. A lots of thanks.